In this video I'm going to show you how to install Mac OS X Leopard on a PowerPC using a USB stick. First of all, you need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB and of course an image from a DVD or from the internet. You can find it there. Open the disk utility, plug in the USB flash drive and delete it using the Apple partition map. Then select the created partition and restore it. Choose the image which you want to restore to. In my case it's Leopard. And restore it. When it's finished, right-click on the volume and go to the information and find out the partition number and remember it. We need it later. And now eject the flash drive and plug it into your PowerBook. When you boot your PowerBook, press Option, Command F and O to boot into the open firmware mode and hold the keys till the white screen appears. Yes. And now type dev/ls to show all hardware components. And now you have to look for something like this USB at 15 at disk 1. You have to find out where your USB flash drive is and you have to find out the whole path where it is. It can be different on your model. In my case it's /PCI at F200000 /USB at 15 /disk at 1. If you plug the USB stick into the other side of your PowerBook, it will be at disk 0. So just look, you will find it. And now create a dev alias. So type dev alias ud and then the whole path to your drive. If it says OK, you have done everything right. Now type dir ud and the partition number from before, comma, backslash, and now it will show all the contents of the flash drive. So now type that again. Type /system /library /core services to find the boot X file. Maybe in your operating system which you installed, it's on another place, but I guess you will find that too with a Google search if it's not there. So the last step is part ud and again the partition number from before and again the same path, but with after the core services a boot X, and hit enter and your PowerBook will boot again into the OS X installation.